Today we're going to be reading, What do you do with a problem?
What can we tell about the character from the picture? We cannot tell very much. We cannot tell if the scowl means to make an angry face. You might scowl at people when they do or say something that makes you feel angry. In What do you do with a problem? The character is trying everything they can think of to make their problem go away. The character scowl. Listen to the sentence and decide if the word scowled is used correctly. When Sheila scowled at Marcus, her smile made him smile. Is scowled used correctly? Choose yes or no. You got it. Scowled is not used correctly. If someone scowls at you, that person's face shows anger, not happiness.